Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Sound section after scrolling down. Now you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals and this way enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. After that, you can also tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing and set up Vibrate by clicking on it. Lastly, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down again, and by tapping on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, you can enable or disable them. Then click on this one next to Touch Vibration to switch on or off haptic feedback for taps, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!